welcome back to another Target Beauty Box unboxing. This one is the other one from February. This was the lip products one, and look at the little watercolored lips on it. It's so fucking cute. I wish I could paint like that, but I can't, so anyways. I do love this box, though. So, good job, self. Okay, so this is the Pucker Up box. The secret to keeping your lips looking plump and luscious, treating them to some tender loving care, and the right products, of course. From a cooling gel mask to a vibrant matte lipstick, we've rounded up our fave finds that'll help keep your pout perfectly kissable. Oh my god, the alliteration! And that has the usual rigmarole that is on all of the Target cards for all of these. There's quite a bit of stuff in here, just saying, so I'm really excited. And the color of the tissue paper, which I don't know why I find it so fun seeing what they coordinate with, is this really pretty maroon. I need to up my tissue paper game when I wrap presents, just saying, because apparently there's a lot of colors I did not realize were a thing. So, where to even start with these goodies? Let's start with the big one. So this is a St. Ives lip scrub in sweet passion fruit, made with 100% natural sugar. Look at the size of this, guys! This is like full-size product in there! How often do we get that from a Target Beauty Box? Just saying. Just saying. So, St. Ives passion fruit lip scrub. Vibrant exfoliating lip scrub polishes away dullness to reveal super soft, smooth lips. How to simply massage exfoliator onto lips, then wipe off and glow. I'm actually really looking forward to that, surprisingly. I don't know, that looks... Maybe it's because it's a full-size product that is in one of these boxes, and I'm so shocked to see one that big. I don't know. But I'm stoked that that's a thing. Next, we've got... What is this? Ooh, something by Milani. So this is the Milani Bold Color Statement Matte Lipstick. What color? What color is it? In number 10, I Am Confident. Oh my god, don't make me start singing Julie Andrews. Just saying. I'm holding back really hard. It's just like... I think that one is I Have Confidence, but close freaking enough, right? So, hyperpigmented formula provides bold color in just one stroke, up to 8 hours of smudge-proof wear. Really, though. Easy Glide formula is infused with Manoi oil to keep lips hydrated and kissable. Hint, add moisture to lips before applying, which helps fill in cracks or lines so your matte formula goes on smooth and looks even. Let's see it. Oh, wow, that is dark. Holy frick. Wow. That's very pretty. There's a couple smudges on there that I'm hoping aren't from use, but, y'all can see them. Yeah, there's a couple right on the front there, but maybe it's just from it bumping the sides of the tube. I'm gonna hope and bank on that. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I don't think I have anything in that color. Mostly because it's too damn dark for me, but I'm gonna try it anyway. If it doesn't work for me, I'll give it to my mom, because she loves the really deep colors like that, because with her skin tone, works better. So this is the... Ooh, this is a Dr. Bronner's. I don't think I've had anything from him yet. Dr. Bronner Lip Balm in Peppermint. Okay. Fairly plain packaging, but I love peppermint, so that's fine by me. Rich blend of jojoba, avocado, and hemp oils keep lips soft and smooth, so that'll probably play real nice with my system, because all of those seem to actually really work on me. I know everybody's system is different, but that combo, all three of those, seem to work wonders for keeping my lips hydrated. 2 for 1, use lip balm to treat dry hands or cuticles, revive a chapped chin or cheeks to provide relief for chafed skin. I already do that, but thank you. I realize there's a lot of people who don't think to do that. At the very end of my nose, right here, I don't know what has been up with it for like the past 6 months, but it's like, I'll get one little breakout, I mess with it, it scabs over, I let it heal, but then the skin around it gets really dry and flaky for like a month or two after, every effing time. So it's like, from like here all the way down the septum, it gets hella dry and flaky. And what I've done for that, I'll just get a little bit of lip balm on the tip of my finger, just put it on there, and eventually it heals it, and it's fine, but it's so annoying that it's right there every time. And I swear it's the same pore that gets the same zit every time. It's like literally exactly right there. Time after time. Anyway, I digress. But yeah, that is a thing you can do, and not just on your nose. You can do it wherever, but I would just recommend make sure you wash your hands first and then just put your finger on it and then rub it into wherever rather than trying to rub the stick directly onto wherever needs it, because unless you're going to designate that stick for a dry skin stick instead of a lip one, kind of gross, you know? Just a thought. So I got that. Given that this was the same price as the normal beauty boxes of $7, this is a really freaking good value, guys. That's why I pounced on this so fast when I saw it. Ooh, what the hell is that? What is that? Cooling gel lip mask. Pout perfect. Oh, is this like the eye one that was all sparkly? Although I don't know why you would put one of these in the freezer and stick it on. I'm very confused. Wouldn't you want them to be fuller and plumper rather than smaller and not swollen? Hella confused. Directions: to cool the mask, place in the fridge for 1 hour or in the freezer for a minimum of 30 minutes. Place mask on lips for 10 to 15 minutes for best results. Use mask after applying your favorite lip scrub and moisturizing products. Hold that thought. I can understand after the lip scrub, but if you put on lip balm after that, you're going to get it all over the back. That's eventually going to break down the plastic of the thing. I would say wait till after you do it to put on the lip products, but that's just me. Let's read what it says. 12 New York City, yeah, it's the same brand and all. 12 New York City Perfect Pout Cooling Gel Lip Mask delivers cool, soothing relief for a moisturizing at-home spa experience. How does this moisturize just by being cold? I have so many questions. Tip: place mask in fridge for 1 hour or the freezer for a minimum of 30 minutes. For best results, use mask after applying your favorite lip scrub and moisturizing product. It's the same thing it says on here. Has anyone used it yet? Like, explain. Because I call shenanigans so hard on that one working. I could see the eye one working if you can get them to balance. I've been having trouble getting them to balance, but anyway. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. This is by Soap and Glory in Sexy Mother Pucker. Yeah, Pucker. I didn't swear. Sexy Mother Pucker Lip Plumping Gloss in Plums Up. That is so pretty, by the way. Look at it. It's got some fine glitter in there. It's actually very close to that other lip plumper I have from them, I think. Or no, from Buxom, I guess. This plumping gloss glides on so lips feel soft and look ravishing. Featuring our trademarked lip plumping technology to add extreme volume and moisture, making lips feel instantly fuller. Definitely something to shout about. Aha! Aha! I see what you did there. Aha! Psst. It's likely that besides your pout looking plumper, your lips will feel a little buzz. Not to worry, it's normal. I love that they have to put that on there because you know there's people who are like, oh my god, is it reaction? I feel tingly. Yeah, it's supposed to be. That's how lip plumpers work, guys. Slow your roll. Anyway, so there's that, which I'm really stoked for. If it's as fun as that Buxom one is to use, which I highly enjoy using, by the way, it's gonna be fun. Oh my god, yes! So, cost of admission right here alone. I think these normally cost about what this box cost. Holy crap. So we've got a Burt's Bees moisturized... Wait, I'm reading the wrong one. Sorry. Burt's Bees Lip Shimmer in Peony. Yeah, the others are Burt's Bees too. It's been so many years since I've had one of these, by the way. Enriched with shea butter, beeswax, and antioxidant-rich fruit oils to moisturize, nourish, and soften lips naturally. Lip shimmers glide on with the perfect complement of moisture and touch of color. The 100% natural moisturizing lip tint has a smooth texture that looks great alone or to layer with your favorite lipstick. Okay, truth be told, I had every color of these at one point in time that Burt's Bees made. That was years ago, and they have since gone bad. But I at one point had them all, and I missed the boat where I should have reviewed them when they were all still new. I kick myself daily over that one, because there is like over 20 of them. And I had all of them, and I'm not sure if I ever got around to reviewing even one. Given what these cost, that bothers me. But I have one again, so there's that. and it's in peony, so it's pretty. My favorite one I think was either watermelon, rhubarb, or raisin. It was one of the, I think it was watermelon. That was like my go-to. But yeah, I have peony again, which is a nice one too. And then finally, the other Burt's Bees thing. We have a Burt's Bees moisturizing lip mask. Single-use lip mask moisturizes and hydrates instantly and defines your lips with a blend of natural ingredients including meadow foam seed and almond oils. This 100% natural hydrating formula leaves behind soft, smooth, and nourished lips. And it's even like squishy like sheet masks are in the thing, so I'm like, ooh, I've never actually used a lip mask before. I think I have a couple at this point, but for whatever reason I've felt scared to use them, and I don't know why that is. I need to just do the thing already. Maybe this will be the one, because I trust Burt's Bees not to screw this up. Just saying. I'll wait till my breakouts go away before doing that, because if it goes on the skin around, the last thing I want to do is disturb those and reopen them while they're trying to heal. No, not more cold sores. Normal pimplage this time. I know. Why am I pointing this out? I don't know. That's what you get for clicking on this channel. But anyway, we're all TMI all the time. So, anywho, that is it for this one. And that is a really, really nicely valued box. And that is why it sold out in like a day. Although, the beauty boxes for this month were sold out in a matter of hours for what all was in them. So, I can't wait to show you those. I do have them. But this one, I don't know, this one and the other one for February, I think they tie for my favorite ones ever from Target. They're stepping up their game. I hope they keep up with this trend, because I know for a while there, they were getting really lackluster and a lot of people were losing interest, so I guess they had to do something to win people back. Yeah, do this. Do more of this, Target, because that is an excellent value, and that is how you will get people rushing for these. So anyways, that's it for this one for real this time. So as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Did you grab one of these? What thing are you most excited about that's in there? Let me know down below. Anything and everything, or something about totally nothing even relevant. I don't care. Leave me any comments. They're all good. And they help me in the algorithm the more you comment. So, you know, get cracking. Anyway, that's it for this one. So make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.